Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be learning about how to create a dynamic drop-down list. So let's get into it. So to start off with, I have a couple of names over here and I'm just going to click out over here, and to start creating a list we are first going to go into data, which is up here. Click on data, and if you have the updated version of Excel, usually you get a button called data validation over here, but mine isn't very much updated, so mine is underneath here, and I'm going to click on data validation, and then in any value we are going to select list, and for the source we're going to select the names. Right, so that's selected, and then we're going to go OK, and now over here I'll just fill it in so that we know that this is the box that we're looking at. And then if I click on the arrow, then we have a list created for us. But if we suppose we add another name, let's say Lily. So if we add Lily, and then we go back here and we look down, it doesn't pop up. So I will also be showing you how we can make the name Lily pop up over here. So now in the process of getting extra names into the list that we have already created over here, we first need to format this into a table. So in home we have format as table, so I'm going to click on here, and I'm just going to click on my table has headers because mine already does. So I'm going to click on OK. And so it's really important to check over here because we will really need the table name for our next step. So I'm just going to copy the table name, which is table 7. Right, and then now we have to link these two together. So for this, I'm just going to select this and go to data, and then go back into data validation, and we've already got it as a list over here, but we will be changing this, and we're going to change this to equals sign indirect, and then we're going to go bracket, quotation mark, and then I'm going to go paste the table 7, and over here my column header is names, so I'm going to get the, oh, not this one, this one, and I'm going to go names, and then close the thing, and then put back the quotation marks and close the bracket. Now let's see if this works. And there we go, we've done it. So now if I type up another name, like let's say I'll just type up my own name, right, and then into here, and it will register that name as well. And that brings us to the end of the video. I hope you guys learned something from this, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.